I haven't been through this schedule here. You want me and Oz sing one?
Why don't you sing one together? I'd sure like to hear you.
Oh, by all
Maybe my lungs will loosen up a little bit then. This one is up there in the sky.
All right, what's it called?
It's one that the late and great R. Leuven wrote, Ball Knob, Arkansas.
I think I remember.
Yes, major.
Take it away, Oz.
Get out of town. Feeling kind of hungry, there's nothing in my craw. I'm going back to my little cook in Ball Knob, Arkansas. Ball Knob, Arkansas, keep smiling to Lou, and I will be a loving man, always love her true, till I'm bald-headed too. Hey! Everybody hear me all right? Got a little girl waiting for me with a broken heart. I'll make the vow and bar account, we will never part. Dress her up in calico, buy her a wedding ring. I'll order it from the radio on the first day of the spring. Ball of Arkansas, keep my Linda Lou, and I will be her loving man, always love her true, till I'm bald-headed too. Now, Jimmy. You've heard about the mule train so many years ago that went through old Missouri, through the heat and through the snow. But now they've got the modern train they call the cannonball. I'll catch it at the station